We have seen the FIFO, LIFO, and the weighted average method in the last class. I made you work out an example here in the class itself, and subsequently, I gave you an example for you to practice. Subsequent to this example, we would be moving ahead with the other areas. That is, when we look about inventory, from the perspective of the US GAAP, generally accepted accounting practices, America, there are two important points we need to consider. In the case of inventory measured other than LIFO, last in first out, the inventory should be measured at lower of cost or net realizable value. If it is FIFO or weighted average method, it must be either cost or net realizable value. This is the basic measurement, and upon which either cost or net realizable value, whichever is lower, we can consider that as the value in the books. If we are using last in first out, in this case, it will be either the cost or market price, whichever is lower. There is a difference between net realizable value and market. Market means the price which is actually applicable to a brand new item. Net realizable value is the value which is applicable to your own material or the product what you can sell in the market. That may not be a brand new one. It might be an old inventory as well. So in this case, these 2 points are important to be considered. The cost of net realizable value is applicable only if you are applying FIFO or weighted average method, or if it is a LIFO, then the lower of cost or market, whichever is lower, only will be considered. This is very important to be noted. Now, the lower of cost or NRV for FIFO, average cost or specific identification method. This is what I have told you. Other than LIFO or retail method, including FIFO, average or specific identification method, lower of cost or net realizable value. Net realizable value can be considered to be the estimated selling price in the ordinary course of business. In the ordinary course of business, suppose you have a bike available which you have been using for 4 or 5 years. Now you want to sell. What is the best price you can get from the market? Minus any cost to be incurred for the disposal. You are going to dispose. In order to dispose some cost, you will be incurring selling cost. These costs must be reduced from the money what you can realize by selling the bike. So the realizable value minus any cost incurred in connection with the disposals can be said to be net realizable value. This net realizable value can never be equal to the market price. This is a point to be understood. So your inventory, whatever you are holding, may not be a new one. You would have purchased some years back. You are still holding. If you sell that inventory today, what is the best price you can realize? Cost of disposal will be the net realizable value. That will be compared with the cost. Hope it is clear. We will look into an example. Johnson is a company doing a wholesale business. He is using FIFO method to value its inventory. This company will be selling several inventory items. the inventory, whatever meant to be sold by Johnson or A, B, C, D, historical cost is available, selling price is available, cost to sell is available. Selling price minus cost to sell will be NRV. Historical cost is the cost at which these materials were procured by Johnson. Now, we have cost and NRV. In the case of material A, lowest is historical, so the inventory value in the books for the year will be 7. Even in the case of B, historical cost is 8. 8 will be considered. So lowest only will be considered. Here NRV is always on the higher side. Historical cost is low. So more than the NRV, historical cost only will be considered. Suppose, say for example, if there is one more material E, the historical cost is say 22. Right now the selling price is only 21. Cost to sell will be 1 or 2 rupee, $2. NRV will be, this 21 minus 2 will be only 19. When you compare to the cost is 22, NRV is only 19. 19 only will be considered as the value of the inventory. This is how you have to measure in the case of inventories where FIFO method, weighted average method is being used. Hope it is clear. This example is clear. Shall I move on? What is the concept of this market value? In the case of LIFO, I have told you, you will be comparing the cost and the market value. Here, the market value is arrived considering 3 important elements. That is, middle value of the following 3 numbers: net realizable value, current replacement cost, or the minimum value that will be used as the designated market value for the inventory. 3 factors. This is otherwise referred as floor value. Floor value will be net realizable value minus a normal profit margin. Profit margin when you realize from the net realizable value, that you are going to get floor value. That is nothing but the cost. So replacement cost means cost to purchase the inventory currently is what is said to be replacement cost. You have some inventory available. You don't want that inventory. You want to replace this inventory with new one. What is the cost you have to incur to purchase new inventory? Okay. Now, if the replacement cost is higher than the net realizable value will be serving as the ceiling for the designated market value. Again, we are considering the lowest. That is considered to be the market value. Hope this is clear. That is one. I tell you again. One will be ceiling. Ceiling is otherwise referred as net realizable value. Current replacement cost. That is, if you want to purchase new one, replace the existing one, what is the cost you have incurred? Third will be floor. Floor will be net realizable value minus normal profit margin. Should be more or less similar to your cost.